Hi, hello friends. So good morning to everyone. So here again we are going to see Nifty analyze on 27th May 2020. So here before that, so I hope you make some good profit on yesterday video. So based on our strategy. So here just we look into yesterday review. So yesterday I told clearly the Nifty gap up above 116, then your target will be 118 and 923, but the Nifty does not able to sustain this 19160 level, so there is no buy entry above 9160 level, right? So now, so look at here, so just these are the level which is updated before market yesterday. So here I mentioned clearly this level is most important level 9150 9160. If break this one, then only you can go for big target, but this level does not break at morning, so here there is more chance to fall the market and retested this next level. Now the target will be a reversal, which means like 9120, right? So here, so these are the two region, so 9120 and 916, these are the two region to buy and sell as per our price action confirmation. So look at here guys, so here, so I given good entry and 9120 at morning section and hit target 9160, and which I told yearly, so it is act as a resistance at 9160, and once again it made same retested 9120, so again it is like a reversal fall. So now, so again as I told, once again the Nifty act 9091 support and tested level 90970, which means like 20 points. Again from 9070 acting some resistance as per our intraday strategy, and once again it tested 900, which is 13 points. So these are the retesting level as per strategy, so which are given yearly before testing the market as per our strategy. So here, and also I show some example. See, look at here, as I told, this one is region for buy entry. Above that level you can go for buy and book your profit near 9160, and acting as resistance at 9160, again you can go for the short and book your profit at 9120 at same level. And here, from here again I told it will tested back 9070, and again from 9070 it acts as some support, and again you can go for long and book your profit 900, right? Once again it break the strong support of 9010 as per our strategy, you know very well. So once it break this level 9060, then our most important powerful target is 9000. So these are the most powerful target, so which I mentioned yearly before market. So again here, and also I will update it time to time in my Telegram channel. So look at here, holding support at 940, but and also having strong support, and risky play can go for buy and also add some lot at 9000. So which mean like averaging of your lot at 9000. So again your target will be, after making support at 9000, your target as per our intraday strategy might be vary. So here the target will be 9040 and 9060. So look at here, and perfectly acting support at 9000 and hit target, once again hit all target of 9050. These are the target, so which are So one second. Yes, so these are the targets, so which are tested after taking support at 9,000. These are the two target, right? So that's it. See here, it almost hit two target and almost just near to 550. So that's it. Again today we are going to see some strong support and strong resistance. Again we are expecting some gap up, might be gap up or might be some flat positive market. The important zone for intraday is 9080, so which is need to control by bullish, and the 9060 level which is need to control by bearish. The important level which I mentioned here is bearish market below 9060. Then upcoming target will be 9000 and 8955. So again, so here below that one you can go for the target of 9000 as well as 8955. So again, now if it bullish market, the bullish market in the sense the level should be updated 9080. Above that level, after the price action confirmation, then you can go for target of 9125, and the next target will be 9155 and 9160. So here these are the two target which is need to hold about 980. Most important support for bullish for intraday. As per price action confirmation, you can go for the buy and you can make these two target after the strong breakout. So now these are the zone which are making more powerful today. The most important resistance and top level market is 9160, and the most important support at low side market will be 8955. These are the two important level, so which is need to watch out today. And the supporting level of intraday strategy is 900, so which is need to look at today the important level. If it need to hold this 9000 level, then the market might be tested 9215 and 9300 in upcoming days, but which need to hold 9000 level today. So just we look at that level which is hold it or not. So let it see again once again. So if the break strong resistant at 9160 and strong support 8950, then in case if there is a gap down or something like huge gap down or huge gap up market, the level will be updated time to time by Telegram channel. So don't trade without knowledge, just do some have knowledge before taking trade. So like and subscribe my channel for daily upcoming videos, and here my Telegram channel is NX Index Master Trader, and for more training purpose we can contact this number 766 and please contact this number after market hour. So again strictly follow this rule. So this video for only education and training purpose, and you can see my accuracy. And don't trade without knowledge, analyze yourself before you can trade, and learn to trade independently. So these are the most important rule which is need to follow to making consistent profit. So that's it, and again once again we see you on next video on tomorrow. Bye bye.